Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk with PCmatic. My name is Dodie Glenn and I'm the Vice President of Cybersecurity. I'd like to talk to you about a particular threat corporations are facing today called Fileless Ransomware. Fileless Ransomware gets its name based on the fact that unlike other types of ransomware, where executables are used to infect the host, the fileless version typically does not use any files. Instead, the malicious code resides in RAM or the registry and propagates through the use of carefully crafted scripts such as PowerShell or JavaScript to infect the host. These threats do not require an executable to infect the machine. In fact, when the machine is rebooted, the malware is no longer in memory. However, the damage is already done. Fileless ransomware is extremely challenging to detect using traditional signature-based methods, so I'll go over a few suggestions on how to protect your endpoint shortly. Let's first talk about how the fileless ransomware gets onto a computer. Let's say an employee gets a cleverly disguised email that looks to be from a major online retailer or even a well-known parcel delivery service. The employee thinks that the email is legitimate, so they click on the link or the attachment within the email, which takes them to a compromised site hosting a zero-day vulnerability. This vulnerability targets Internet Explorer and a specific version of Adobe Flash. Once the Flash player loads, a script is invoked from PowerShell or another scripting engine which loads itself into memory. The malicious script is crafted in such a way to parse through the entire hard drive, encrypting all of the files on disk. In fact, in 2016, we saw a purely JavaScript-based ransomware called RAA in the wild. Another example was ransomware called Cerber, which relied on a WSF or Windows scripting file to infect the machines. While these threats are dangerous, there are a few things you can do to help protect your network. One suggestion is to block specific script extensions in Exchange or other email gateway. For example, in Exchange, you can block ransomware scripts with the Exchange transport rules. Some of these extensions are WSF, batch files, VBS scripts, .js, .hta, .bat. And for companies who are using Exchange, you can download the group policy Office Administrative template. And block for macros is an additional layer of protection. Also, if your environment allows for it, you can disable Windows scripting hosts on all of your workstations via GPO. You can also make all of your users limited users, however they aren't completely safe because oftentimes the vulnerability can elevate privileges, defeating the limited user account. Now if you utilize content filtering, make sure that you look inside the archives such as these zip files to find these scripts too. It's a scary world out there. Stay safe.